Cryptography explained in 2 minutes. Every time you send a message online, there's a risk someone could intercept it. That's where cryptography comes in. Cryptography is the art of turning readable data, called plain text, into unreadable code, or ciphertext. One of the earliest examples, the Caesar cipher. Just shift each letter a few places in the alphabet. Simple, but not secure today. Modern cryptography uses complex math to lock data using keys. Without the key, the message stays hidden. There are two main types: symmetric, where both parties use the same key, and asymmetric, where there's a public key to lock and a private key to unlock. Cryptography powers secure browsing, private messaging, banking, and even cryptocurrency. It protects your data from hackers, spies, and even governments. Without it, the internet wouldn't be safe. Cryptography is how we keep secrets safe in a connected world.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, move.